Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide on understanding queues and media streams. Media streams are the channels through which conversations come in, such as SMS, web chats, emails, and callbacks. And these media streams sit within queues when you build the contact center in the Unity portal. This means that even the busiest contact centers, with a large number of media streams, can use queues for effective organization of all their communication channels. Available queues are presented at the top of the interface, and agents can join and leave these queues as required, as well as being automatically assigned to them by a supervisor. When a conversation is presented, it will include key information such as the media type in the activity column, as well as the queue it is part of, which can be seen in the To column. Additionally, the To column will also display the name of the media stream that is being used for the conversation. This makes it easy to distinguish conversations from one another in the instance that an agent is presented with multiple conversations across multiple queues, all at once. Please note, however, one of the key differences between queues and media streams is that agents can only join and leave queues, and not individual media streams. For a complete reporting experience, supervisors can access a wide range of reporting. This includes reporting on all contact received by a queue, as well as by each media stream, if required. In summary, queues allow businesses to segment their contact center, and in doing so, enables them to define core areas. For example, by creating queues for sales, support, and customer service, contact centers can distribute resources precisely as required, improve customer journeys and the agent experience, utilize targeted reporting on each queue, as well as the individual media streams nested within, and ultimately, provide an optimized experience for the entire contact center. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more contact center tutorial videos, a complete collection of Unity Quick Guides is available.